Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to check if your Windows computer is having HDD, that is the hard disk drive, or SSD, that is a solid state drive. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system on my respective computer. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older version of the Windows operating system, still this tricks will gonna work for you. So here what you need to do is on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl Shift Escape to open the Task Manager, and in the Task Manager you can see one tab named as Performance. As you can see here, just click on it. Now below here you can see here one option, that is a disk. As you can see here already it's showing HDD, that is, in my case my Windows computer is having a hard disk drive. So you can see here also details, the type is the HDD, that is the hard disk drive. So if you see here SSD, that means your respective Windows computer is using a solid state drive on your respective Windows computer. So just by going to this Task Manager you can easily check if your Windows computer is having HDD or SSD on your respective computer. So if you never known about these options available in your respective Windows computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.